many of us struggle with small living spaces? Now, this is the living room before. You may watch previous videos with these decor when I removed the sofa cover, and this was a coral pink. Now, a lot of us struggle with small spaces, especially when we're renting. This video is to really show us how we can change the look of our space without really damaging our landlord's property. Now in this video you will notice I changed my 3-piece sofa to a small sofa. This is really to get more space in the room. So first thing I start off with was to change my cushion covers. So these cushion covers, my mother made them for me. All of them except the red fur looking one. That one I purchased. But all the cushions I'm putting on here, my mother made them for me. I was using a silver and gold theme in the Christmas. I didn't really capture the video at that time because I didn't get most of the stuff I needed. So because I get most of the stuff now, I decided that this video will go on. So here you will notice me changing my cushion covers. Now this is one decor thing you can do in your small space to change the look of it. Change your cushion covers. No matter what sofa you're using, you can always use cushion covers or sofa covers. So you'll watch my previous videos where I use sofa covers to change the look of my sofa and cushion covers to change the look of the cushion. So once you change the look of your cushions, that will bring a different look to your space. So the next step in decorating your small space is using curtains. Curtains let your space feel more comfortable and it gives a little vibrancy. So one more budget-friendly hack you can do that I did here was instead of purchasing multiple curtains, you can use one curtain to get two. So for example, the red curtain here, it is one curtain that I cut in two because my window is a bit small. So instead of purchasing 4 curtains, I have 2 curtains that I cut in half. So 2 on one window and 2 on the other window. And the next color in between, I cut that in 2 so I can use it on the other window as well, if you realize. So that's a budget friendly hack you can do. Cut your curtains. So for the next step, it would be our dining table. So you noticed the dining table before. Now I use this marble wallpaper. I purchased it from Amazon. I will post the link below. So if anything, you can purchase it if you like it. There are also marble papers. There are a lot of wallpapers you can use. So to change the look of your furniture piece, you can also use wallpaper. You can paint it just to change the look of it. And the good thing is when you remove these wallpaper, it doesn't damage your furniture. So you can use any wallpaper of your choice. So my next video, you will see me doing some DIYs, as most of these items that I'm using to decorate were some DIYs I did. So if you want to see those videos, please remember to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload that video as well. So all these books and these 2 bookends were actually curtain rods that I spray painted and used as the bookend. Now this art as well was a DIY project. You will get those in the other video. Now for another budget-friendly hack that you can decorate your living room with is wallpaper. As I mentioned, wallpaper on your table. You can use wallpaper as a picture frame. These are all wallpaper. So I had the frame, I spray painted the edges, I put wallpaper inside and I put the leaf on it. The leaf was actually gold and I touched it with a little black, and the middle frame you will notice the same wallpaper from the dining table. So it's another budget-friendly idea. And here is the whole look of the living room now with my red and gold and silver. I hope you like it. If you had made it to the end of this video, thanks again for watching it, and also please comment below what you like most about this video. Share it, subscribe, and also like this video. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next video.